Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So this video is going to be a very basic video for those who are not aware about coins, tokens, or how to read them. So basically, if you are looking at any other coin besides Bitcoin, that means that is the altcoin, or whether it is going to be a coin or a token. So coin is basically something that has their own blockchain, and whereas tokens are the rest that are built on top of other networks, such as we have ERC20 tokens. We also have Solana tokens as well. So if you look at Bonk or any other meme coin such as WIF, those are all tokens on Solana blockchain. So what we are looking at today is how to basically read these values or what they mean for each token or coin. So we are looking at Hedera. As you can see here, we have two websites that I think are pretty good to use. The first one is CoinMarketCap and the second one is CoinGecko. So you can use either, but CoinMarketCap does offer a lot of information and it can be overwhelming if you're a beginner. So you can also check out CoinGecko as well, which is more clear to use, whereas CoinMarketCap, it does offer a lot of data. It could be confusing for the beginners who are not aware about these various things, but definitely CoinMarketCap offers a lot of options here, as you can see here. So if you're looking to analyze any crypto or any altcoin, the most important thing is to look at the market cap. So basically, market cap is what is the current value of the cryptocurrency compared to its current supply. So we are looking at HBAR token or HBAR ticker. It is a coin because it has its own blockchain. So as of now, we have its circulating supply, which is around 42.2 billion. And using that, it has calculated that its market cap. So currently HBAR's total valuation is 7.3 billion, as you can see here, and it can be calculated using the current price into circulating supply, which is this one. After that, we have a total supply and max supply. So total supply is basically the amount of coins that have already been created minus any coins that have been lost or burned. So it doesn't include lost coins because it is very hard to know which coins are lost, but still it uses burned coin as well. So it is comparable to outstanding shares in the stock market. After that, we have max supply. So this is the supply, basically this is a max supply that any coin is going to have. So for HBAR, it is 50 billion, and if we look at Bitcoin, it has 21 million, 21 million. And if we look at Ethereum, so Ethereum is a pretty good example for this particular metric. So Ethereum does not have max supply. That means Ethereum supply is unlimited, infinite. So of course the supply release, the inflation is very low, so it does not have that much of an impact on its price. But again, it is something that if you're looking at this one, you have to know that some coins do not have max supply, so that may be bad for some coins. And if you look at Bitcoin, its max supply is 21 million. And if you look at the total supply of the Bitcoin, it is 19.8 million. So basically we have circulating supply of around 19.8, and according to this, Bitcoin will most likely have less than 21 million supply in the market once we see total supply, because some of the coins, some of the Bitcoins have been lost and some of them are inactive and something like that. Now coming to the CoinMarketCap, does show a lot. So I did miss something, which is going to be okay. So I'll just open HBAR. This is a fully diluted valuation. Basically this shows that when the total coins are in, or the max supply is in the circulation, what will be the potential market cap? So it is 8.6 billion. If we see 50 million 50 billion token in 50 billion token in the market, and the price will remain same, as you can see here. So this can be very useful if you're planning to analyze a newly launched coin. So I just covered this coin, which is basically Zora token. This is a token, as you can see here. It is on Base network, as you can see. So if you look at this token, its circulating supply is 3.1 billion, but its max supply is 10 billion. So as of now, its valuation is around 34 million. Its market cap is 34 million. And if in the future this price remains the same, the the market cap will rise to 110 million, as you can see here. Basically, this is fully diluted valuation. So as of now, you can actually imagine, so if the market cap remains same, let's just say that once this 10 billion comes in the market, the market cap remains the same. So also the price will go down because the supply has increased. So that can be a big problem if the demand for the coin doesn't increase. So that is something that you should know if you're planning to get into any coin before that. Now, coming to the coin market cap, it does offer more features. So we have here unlocked market cap, as you can see. Basically, this is an unlocked circulating supply of 42.56 billion with an unlocked market cap. So we have volume, which also is available on CoinGecko as well, which is 24-hour trading volume. But if you look here, you have something called volume / market cap. So this is a volume and market cap ratio. This is an indicator of liquidity. So the higher the ratio, the more liquid the cryptocurrency is. Because if you are planning to buy a token or coin on any given exchange, so for example, we have Zora here. So if you just click at the markets, it will take you to this page. So basically, what this page says, we have price, we have volume. These are basically volumes indicator, as you can see here, and we have spread. So if a given cryptocurrency has a lesser volume, the spread is going to be high. So the spread is basically a hidden fee which you will pay and the exchange will not show you. So that is something that you should know. So if you're planning to get any coin or any token, you have to look at the highest volume, and the higher the volume, the lower the spread. So that's, I think, a pretty big thing if you are planning to get lower cap cryptocurrencies or coins that have a very low volume. So the coin with low volume will have a higher spread. So that means you will be paying a bit more fees than the other coin that has higher volume. So looking at this, we discussed fully diluted valuation, we have total supply and other things. But the interesting thing that the coin market cap shows for some coin is token unlock. So basically, this is a section that coin market cap shows for some coin, where you will be able to know in advance when the token will come to the market. So that way you will be able to look at the price and what the price can do. So if, just for example, to show you, I am going to show you Ondo. So this is a coin that has had a massive success recently. As you can see here, it had a market cap of 2.7 billion. I will just click here at all and I will go to the token unlock. So if you look here, Ondo had a massive unlock at the start of the 2025, as you can see here. And if we look at the price, so if we just scroll up and look at the price, Ondo has been struggling ever since its supply release. As you can see here, from here the token has been struggling, and that is most probably due to a very high sell pressure that is happening from these token unlock. So that is very unlikely that you will be able to predict when the next thing will happen. So let's just say at the start of 2026 this coin has another massive unlock coming in, so you can basically take a profit before that and you can make a lot of decisions if you're looking at any other coin. Of course, this feature is not available for all the coins, but it is available for a lot of coins. And we also have another matrix here, which is a holders matrix. As you can see here, this is a token, so this matrix is available. Anyways, I think I covered most of it. If I missed any, please feel free to comment in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.